Hi friends, I am Sajid here. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about the POCO X3 device, whether the phone actually supports the Wi-Fi at 5 GHz or not. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating regarding this Wi-Fi connectivity feature which is present in the POCO X3 device. So let's see whether the phone actually supports the 2.5 GHz and 5 GHz. So normally the basic phones, they do supports the 2.4 GHz, and only few phones they actually supports the 5 GHz network in the POCO X3 device. And even I'll be doing another video where I'll be demonstrating whether the phone supports the Wi-Fi 6 or not, which is present in another phone from the POCO only. This is a POCO F2 Pro device which has the Wi-Fi 6 certification as well in that phone. That is for a topic for another video. So let's get back into this Wi-Fi connection. In case if you want to know what live wallpaper and more details about the POCO X3 device, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of the POCO X3. So there you can find all the videos related to the POCO X3 in terms of battery, heating issues and so many other things about the phone. Let me open the Wi-Fi connectivity here. So as soon as you open the Wi-Fi connectivity, as you can see friends, so my Wi-Fi router has the two different signals, 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz. So usually nowadays if you work from home, then definitely you should know whether the phone actually supporting the 5 GHz network or not. As you can see right now, I'm connected to the 5 GHz network only at the moment, and there is another network as well, 2.4 GHz, as you can clearly see friends. So definitely the POCO X3 supports the 5 GHz network without any issues. So if you ask me how is the connectivity, then definitely I would say the connectivity is okay, but not that much when you compare with other smartphones. So for example, let me try to show you the Wi-Fi signals in other smartphone. So here is a POCO F2 Pro device, as you can clearly see, POCO F2 Pro. I know this is a very huge comparison. This is a premium end model, this is a mid-range segment mobile phone, but I just want to show you how much difference is the Wi-Fi signal connectivity. So right now I connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see friends, 5 GHz, 5 GHz, 6TD, 6TD, everything is same. But if you observe on the top, you can see more signal on the POCO F2 Pro device. You are getting 3 bars and you're getting 2 bars on the top. As you can see here, POCO X3 device, you're getting 2 bars on in this phone, and F2 Pro has a 3 bars. So this is not the fair comparison, I know, but still I just want to show you that the signals in the POCO X3 are not that strong enough. So that is what I did feel. So usually this kind of 2 bars will be happening only in the mid-range segment mobile phones. In the premium end mobile phones, we'll be seeing with the 3 bar signals as well. So overall friends, this is a quick review on the 5 GHz support test in the POCO X3 device, and even you got to know that there is the signals as well, the Wi-Fi signals, so which is another thing you need to be a little bit conscious of this POCO X3 device as well. Not only the POCO X3, even other mid-range segment phones or whatever I'm having right now, they're kind of same thing, same scenario. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.